ladies and gentlemen. We are many English program students from Nathaweewittayakom School. My name is Thanakrith Mangsaisang.
My name is กนพร จันทร์เกิดแก้ว
My name is คณากร เสนพันธ์ and my name is ยานิสายอดสุวรรณ
The topic for this project is natural resources and generating current electricity. The first thing I will be talking about is natural resources and the use of wind turbines in generating current electricity. Now, wind power is the use of airflow through wind turbines to provide mechanical power to turn on electric generators. Wind power is an alternative way instead of those burning fossil fuels and coals and all that stuff, since crude oil is plentiful, renewable, and clean, since it has been widely distributed, and produces no greenhouse gases. Now here's the thing, wind is not that much of a new terminology for humans. After all, mankind has been using it for over 3,000 years. Now this does not mean wind is created 3,000 years ago. No, I meant like we use it as a power sources 3,000 years ago. Anyways, humans uses wind energy in something like irrigation, agriculture, and navigation purposes. However, burning fossil fuels were the main sources of power production back then, so we're grateful that this thing has been invented. So we have to thank those scientists and researchers who till this day are working towards increasing knowledge on wind power.
To address climate change effectively and with a needed sense of urgency, a major switch from polluting to clean oil is needed. Analysis indicate that despite an ambitious increasing in energy efficiency, a significant growth in renewable energy is needed to cut carbon dioxide emissions substantially by up to 50% globally. In the coming decades, this is necessary to stay below a 20 Celsius increase compared with pre-industrial global temperature. Wind power has the potential to become a key source of electricity in the next 20 years.
To help reduce the greenhouse gas emission contributing to climate change, wind farms renewable energy for domestic consumption and to minimize the emission of air, water, and pollutants.
Our project was designed and created from renewable material around us until the project is in shape and perfect. For our presentation, as you can see, when the wind blows through the turbine blade, kinetic energy caused by the wind will cause the turbine rotor to rotate and get a mechanical energy. The mechanical energy from the spindle of the wind turbine will be transformed into electrical energy. The generator connected to the spindle of the wind turbine supply electricity through the electrical control system and send electricity to the house.
After setting up all components and confirmed as desired, wind was provided to rotate the turbine blades. According to previous studies done on the fan, it shows that the fan rotates at different speeds and the rotatory speed can be located. From the result on the table above, we assume that the rate of airflow from the fan is equal to the rate of rotation of the turbine blades. Therefore, wind speed from fan is directly proportional to turbine blades rotation speed. From the above analogy, we were able to generate about 4.2 volts of current from 3 electric motors Measured using an emitter, it could also be demonstrated in lighting LED bulbs planted in the mini huts.
So after everything that my friends just said, it's finally time for the last part, and that is the conclusion. The reason that we decided to pick this project is that it's for us to not just to explain on how a wind turbine or wind energy source works, but it's also to tell a lot of people that we are relying on electricity that uses wind power by a lot, as it is literally everywhere. It's an easy source of power to get, and there's practically infinite of them. So this entire project is to show you all how much wind is important to us. So that is the conclusion I will have for you today. Now, we can go ahead and say our goodbyes, for now at least.
I have to say, this has been a very fun project to work on. If there's any mistakes we made, then we're sorry because we're not that good in science, but all in all, thank you. Thank you for listening.